In this video, I'll show you how to download and install OrcaSlicer, a powerful, free, open-source slicer for 3D printing. Let's get started. First, open your web browser. Type in OrcaSlicer GitHub and press enter. Now, look for the link that starts with github.com/softfever, that's the official OrcaSlicer repository. Click on it to go to the GitHub page. Once you're there, scroll down a little and find the releases section. Click on the latest version at the top. On the release page, scroll down to the Assets section. If you're using Windows, download the file that ends in .x. It's usually labeled something like OrcaSlicer Windows Installer.x. Once the installer finishes downloading, open it. Click Yes if Windows asks for permission to run the file. Go through the installation steps by clicking Next, selecting your destination folder, and then clicking Install. Once it's done, click Finish and OrcaSlicer will launch automatically. Now you can start configuring it for your 3D printer and slicing your models. That's it, you've successfully installed OrcaSlicer on your PC. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.